Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. As you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chilly weather. Do we do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated from coming examination, here with revisional videos of subject social studies. So watch the videos and practice the notes of exercise at home regularly. Okay students, my previous video explained chapter 15 early humans. First explanation, early humans. Previous video summarize. Early humans lived on earth many thousands of years. Early humans lived on earth many thousands of years ago. Early humans roamed around in search of food and shelters. They ate fruits, nuts, and hunted animals for their flesh. Over time, the lives of the early humans changed. Early humans discovered how to use fire to cook their food, stay warm and safe. The first wheels were invented around 5000 years ago. Over time, they made carts with wheels. They taught animals to pull the carts. Early humans also learned to grow crop for food. They began to live in small groves near rivers and lakes. This becomes the first village. Early humans tamed animals like goats, dogs, cows, and oxen for their meat, milk, and skin. Okay, students? Today we are explaining chapter 16, Helping Hands. So let's start chapter 16, Helping Hands. Do you know, students, what is this? What is your helping hands? What is your helping hands? Okay, be kind and helpful other people whenever you can. Think of any 5 activities that you can do to help of people around you. Make a list, type up, practice this in your daily life. Okay students, so let's start chapter. First one, Miss Patel was the class teacher. Miss Patel was the class teacher. Okay students, of second B, the always ended the Miss Patel was the class teacher of class second B. She always ended her classes with a game or a funny activity. Okay students, one day she said, let us do some things different today. Let us see who has the most beautiful hands in the class. The students started looking at their hands. Okay? They whispered to each other, look how beautiful my hands are. They are more beautiful. Thank you. They are more beautiful than yours. Okay students, first of you look at this picture. Whose teacher? and these students in the classroom. Okay students, teacher and student in the classroom. After ended period, okay, yeah, after ended, finish your classes, that means last period, yeah, fifth period, yeah, any period is game period. Okay, so first all of you, what is your work of hands? What is a work of hands? Work of hand, writing, eating, okay, cooking, bathing, combing, cloth wears and etc. Okay students, so helping hands, needed helping hands, right hand, okay, helping hands for right hand. So right hand is particular use help to work. Okay students, just then somebody knocked on the door and told Miss Patel that the principal wanted to meet her. As she hurried out, Miss Patel said, "I shall look at your hands after the lunch break." Okay students, during the break of during the break, the students did different things to make their hands to make their hands look beautiful. Some of them ran to the washroom, ran to the wash basin. They washed their hands thoroughly with soap to clean them. Some rubbed glitter on their hands. Some girls started drawing designs on their hands. Okay students, so look at the picture. First picture is, what is this? What do you work the girls? Wash your hand. Before lunch, breakfast and dinner, first work is wash your hand. That means soap, hand wash and paper soap, etc. Okay students. Now second picture is girls. What do you work? Girls, what do you work? Glitter on the hands. Girls, glitter on the hands. Okay, what is this? Glitter. Now third picture is, next girls, art on the hands. Art, making or design on the hands. That means mehndi, art class, yeah, etc. So do your work helping hand, means right hand is a helping hands. After that, some boys, girls and men's left hand is a helping word, but right hand is also helping words. Okay students. Miss Patel come back from principal's. Miss Patel come back from the principal's room. She silently watched their students. She silently watched their students. Okay students. Suddenly she saw Radha, one of her students, was missing. When she went to the door to look for her, Miss Patel saw Radha running across the playground towards a girl who sat slipped on and fallen in a pool of water. It was Priya, a special needs child. Priya was finding it difficult to get up. Okay, so look at this picture. Radha missing, running across. Okay, Radha running across. So help the Priya. Priya help the right hands and pick up. Radha gently helped their get up. Priya had mud all over her dresses. Radha brushed off the mud and took Priya to the school nurse. By the time Radha got back to her class, the lunch break was over. She did not have the time to even wash the mud off her hands. Mrs. Patel started looking at everybody's hand. Hands. When Radha's turn come, everybody touched at her dirty hands. When the teacher said, "I find Radha's hand to be the most beautiful in the class. Only one Radha's hand is clean." After that, some student whose hand is dirty. When the rest of you were busy cleaning and decorating your hands, she was out in the playground helping someone. What can be more beautiful than hands that are used to help others? Helping hands are indeed the most beautiful hands in the world. Okay, students, so what do you work in your hand? So help writing, eating, bathing, cloth wearing, and so on. So other people is helping. So put out your right hand. It means right hand is always helpful hand. Right hand is always helpful hands. After that, is that clear, students? Think of any 5 activities. Okay, students, first all of you read this story, and after that work 5 activity that you can do help the people around you. Make a list. Try to practice this in your daily lives. Okay, students, Daily life, use your 5 activity, make your chart paper. Okay, cutting your, first of it draw your chart paper, color, and after that cutting your paste on the thermocol sheet. Is that clear, students? Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.